Good evening, Sir Leo Cayos. My name is James Sepunyao, section G2E-1. This is my video. Recommended construction of watertight bulkheads in ships as per SOLAS regulation. The pre-surface effect refers to the impact of a liquid's movement within a partially filled tank or compartment on a vessel's stability. When a vessel tilts, hills or rolls, the liquid inside the tank flows to the lower side, shifting its center of gravity and reducing the vessel's overall stability. K effect or pre-surface instability. Number 1. Reduction in the metacentric height or GM. The pre-surface causes an apparent rise in the center of gravity, effectively lowering the GM, which directly reduces stability. Number 2. Increased risk of capsizing. In shifting liquid can amplify rolling motion, especially in raw seas, making the vessel more prone to capsizing. Number 3. Loss of all righting moment. As the fluid shift, the vessel loses its ability to right itself after healing, which is critical for sail operation. Number 4. Dynamic stability is some causes that continuous movement of the liquid can resonate with the ship's rolling frequency, further destabilizing the vessels. Number 5. Cumulative effect. Multiple tanks with resurface, especially if transverse, can have an additive destabilizing effect. Mitigation strategies. Use of baffles internal structures and limit fluid movement, keeping tanks either full or empty, minimizing the number of partially filled tanks. Compartmentalization. Dividing tanks into smaller sections reduce pre-surface area. Ballast management. Strategically managing ballast water to maintain stability.